Afternoon, warm and yet sad. A song of morning cries in the air. I saw it there. Every time the sun nearly sets, with feathers ever so gray, dark yellow neck, and a pair of sad eyes. It has lost something ever so valuable. The wind reaches the farthest tree in the land, but failed to find another bird with soul so bent. I counted the dates, and every day at the same time, it would sit there on the same lonesome branch, and I would sit here, feeling the thunder roaming deep down, ever so deep, ever so strong. Could it possibly be the tree? Did it lose something in there? Whatever it might have lost, surely it was irreplaceable, for the morning is so deep and crushing. Still in grief, it flew away in that dimming golden sky. Wish I knew the meaning of his bitterly sad song, but all I could do was bending my knees as I watched those restless wings. A puny being with will so strong that the tall trees bent down, being honored to be stepped on. Something so deep, so heavy, weigh me down, an ocean of curiosity. Today, we had our longest conversation. It noticed me watching. I wished to look through and understand the pain it couldn't tell, the pain it couldn't bear. My lonesome little friend, are you coming here every day to share me your stories? Am I too stupid to understand? Or is it I'm not ready yet to hear such magnificent tales?